North Beach. I just got my canoe in the water. The beach proper. That's where I launched from. Like a show and a half to go get the canoe over there.
We're clearing the water. Please get out.
There we go. I'm surprised that there's nobody else over there jumping off from them. It's a very popular spot for parties and swimming. About 90 feet deep right there. They jump off all of the ledges. This is the Rock Point area right here. See the tour boat. So I'm pretty far out in the lake. It's nice day, a little windy. And you might be able to see that. It's Burlington shoreline. Yeah, there we go. Okay, I think we got it there. Okay, let me get this out of the way here. Let me readjust this. Okay, here we go. Yeah, I think that's it. A lot of kayakers out here. I think I'm doing a canoeist. So, beautiful, beautiful day out here. I think I gotta do though, I gotta stay away from those rocks. So I wanna go for a swim. Water is kinda cold. Okay. I've been wanting to do this for a long time. I got to do it. Okay. Wind and waves have pushed me back towards the shore, so even though the current is heading north, I shouldn't have a hard time here. Okay. There we are. Now I'm going to go out in the lake here, Broad Lake, and I'm going to head back in towards Point. Looks like there's a white caps over there. The boat must have gone home. That is Rock Point right there. It's a little rough out here, a little bit of wind picking up. But I got my life jacket on, so I'm all set. Okay. Now, gotta get far enough out here. Okay, I don't want to go too much broadside to these damn waves, because boy, I could have some problems. Dual following sea. Okay. Okay. Yeah, the waves are pushing me in. Here. There we go. Let me get this up here before I lose too much. Okay, just in case I get dumped. That is Rock Point. That's the haunted Rock Point right there. Kinds of boaters here in the area. Yeah, I got more than one record of this trip. Yeah. I'm looking at North Beach right there, and you might be able to see all the kayakers coming along the side here. Okay, here we go. Okay. This is a must-have right there. That's waterproof stuff. get a nice picture point. There we are. There we go. That's a beautiful picture. Let's see if we can get these people down here. Got some kayakers here. I think that's them. Kind of hard because we're bouncing so much here. Okay. That is Rock Point. That's the Haunted Rock Point right there. Okay. All kinds of boulders here. Point area. Look at the ferry boat. Some guy haul up there. Going like a bat out of hell. Okay, I'm gonna head back in. It's gonna be a lot easier going in because the waves are gonna push me quite a ways here. Going against the current. Dead fish. Looks like a perch. Yeah, it's a perch. That's a perch already. Yeah, it looks like a perch. Yeah, been around for a while. Okay. Okay. I gotta pick up my point here where I'm heading. Okay. Oh, there's a trail right there. Okay. Now the waves are pushing me over by here, so. Currents push me back towards the point. Okay. This is fun. Okay. Okay.